Hey guys, it's me, Blaine again, and I'm also with my camera lady, Delaney. Say hi.
Hey.
Hey. So anyways, today I had a company reach out to me and send me a free product here to test out, and it's something that I think everybody should have a set of. What I have here is some jack pads. They're jack pads made by ThinSGO. I'll have the link down below that you'll be able to order them off of Amazon. I also have the Amazon link on my website, testablaine.com. So make sure you check those out and give them a try. But so here is the jack pads that come in a nice little case. What I like about this case is the case that keeps your jack pads secured. You can keep them in your trunk or your frunk. I would suggest always keeping these in your vehicle at all times, because you never know when you're going to need them. Whether you're jacking your own car up and you want to rotate your tires, or you're going to paint your calipers, or you're going to do anything to take your wheels off, or you need to jack up your vehicle, you're going to need these. Another good reason to have these is, say you're out on a trip and you're in some back roads and and you're in a town that people don't really have any Teslas there, and you go to a tire shop because you're getting a low tire. You may need these so they can jack up your vehicle. You do not want somebody to try to jack up your vehicle without using a set of these jack pads underneath your car. These ones here are specifically for the Model Y. I believe they say they'll also work on the Model 3. I am not sure, but today we're going to test them out on the Model Y and see how they work. And see, I even brought my jack along. We're going to jack up the vehicle and just take a look at them today. So let's go ahead and start off and open these suckers up. What I like about it, it's got this really nice case here, handle. And you open them up. You got 4 jack pads. They got the O-ring right here. That right there is so when you put it up into the hole, that the jack pads will stay up in your vehicle. You can also store maybe a couple small tools or something in here, might be good. So, all right, well, let's take it outside and see how they hold up. Okay, so I got the jack pad here, and we're going to give it a try. Like I said, with the diagram on the video here, that you can see where you're supposed to put these under. There's 4 spots underneath your car, so we're going to give it a try with this one right here. All right, so right here's the hole. And as you can see, the jack pad is staying right up in there by itself. All right, so the next thing you want to do is get your jack pad, or jack, right underneath your jack pad. And jack it up. And make sure you always take your jack pad out. I give it a thumbs up. It looks like they're going to work just fine. They're just nice, solid, hard rubber material. They do have the O-ring, so it helps hold them up in there. I will say that I forgot about one of these one time after I was painting my calipers, and I did my last wheel and I down jacked. I forgot to take it out, and I actually drove it to the store. And when I came back, I started thinking about, no, it was the next day actually, I started thinking about it. I'm like, wait a minute, did I take it out? And sure enough, it's still under my car. So it held up. The jack pads work great. Make sure you take a look at the link down below in the description. One more thing I want to say about the jack pads is make sure that when you go to jack up your vehicle that you never have the charging cable plugged in. Don't be charging your vehicle or even have it plugged in. It's in the safety, it's under the safety notifications in the manual. I'm not exactly sure why they don't want that, but make sure you do not have your charging cable plugged in while you're jacking your vehicle up, okay? As always, be safe, drive safe, and most of all, have fun. Until next time, hit that like button. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button over there and click over here to watch some more of my videos. Have fun, guys. Thanks.